Hey team 7th grade, if you were absent on Wednesday, August 16th, you should be watching this video. When you get to these videos, it means you were probably absent for one of my lessons. You're going to complete all of the warm-up to the best of your ability. If you can't finish this guide just because you don't know it, just go ahead and skip it. Write a note that you don't know my rules right here. And I will talk with you when you're in class next. If you've heard something about me, just jot it down, and we're on to the aim. This video is going to be a little bit quicker than normal videos. Normally you'll listen to a video of my class lesson. This one I'm just going to do a few examples. You're going to write down exactly what I write and complete all of the example problems.
Please excuse the interruption. Pat Kerr, if you're still on campus, can you please call extension 308?
The first key player, which is a word you need to know in math, is an integer. It's a whole number that is not a fraction or decimal. Some examples are -2, -1, 3, 4. You could put down 5. You could say 100, -50. You just jot down a few whole numbers. They cannot be fractions to be integers. The second key player is the absolute value. This is the distance between a number and 0. So I want to find the absolute value of 2. I'm going to count 1, 2 spaces. The answer for the absolute value of 2 is just 2. What about the absolute value of -3? And this is that symbol. If you ever see the number 2 kind of locked in the jail cell, that's called absolute value right here. And if it has lines around it, you know that is the absolute value sign. Find the absolute value of -3. Well, let's look at what this one is. And we're going to put a line or a dot starting at 0. Draw a line to -3. How many spaces away is that? 1, 2, 3 spaces. So the absolute value of -3 is 3. That's it. That's an absolute value sign because it has lines surrounding the -3. Absolute value will never have an answer that's negative. I want you to go ahead and jot down the answers for you try. If you saw them, it's fair. You can jot it down. And we're going to skip example 2 and 3 for today. The next step for you is you are going to turn your page until you find the bronze problems. To get credit for 1-1 classwork, you need to show Mr. McAtee your notes completed for example 1 and finish numbers 4 through 19. Number 4 through 19 should be done to get credit. I'll see you when you come back to class. We're looking forward to having you, and you can drop it in the in bin for your period. Ask Mr. McAtee if you don't know where that is. That's the way the cookie crumbles, guys. Have fun.